Many new employees are very disappointed when they look at their first paycheck. It's smaller than what we expected we'd earn. This is because after our pay is calculated, there are deductions for taxes and other types of withholdings. Those that receive wages from an employer have taxes withheld or deducted from paychecks. Self-employed wage earners also pay taxes, but they pay themselves and their taxes differently. Remember, self-employed people may not receive regular paychecks. While there are a variety of taxes we pay, when looking at our paycheck, we are talking about income and payroll taxes. The two types of income taxes are federal and state. Payroll taxes include Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment insurance. When hired, employees fill out a W-4 form, which determines what the deductions will be. When we fill out a W-4 form, we're declaring how many dependents we have, how many people are dependent on our income. And yes, we can declare ourselves as dependent. The more dependents we can rightfully claim, the less that will be withheld from each check. The number of allowances you claim on your W-4 determines how much is taken out of your paycheck for federal income taxes. State income taxes vary. Some states don't have state income taxes. They get their money from other types of taxes and fees. So don't assume that these states are cheaper places to live. Taxes provide money to run government and provide services. It is easy to complain about taxes when we are not informed as to how the money is spent. Reasonable people can have different opinions on what services government provides, but someone always has to pay for them. Taxes, unfortunately, are becoming a very divisive political issue. For our purpose, let's just agree that something will be paid based on our income. Never assume that every deduction from your paycheck is calculated correctly. When you are hired, politely ask questions so you understand how your deductions will be calculated. And then when you get your paycheck, especially your first paycheck, do a little bit of quick math and verify that the deductions are taking place the way you understood them. If not, it's time to politely ask questions. Because taxes have become such a political football, expect to see changes from time to time. Do some research. Citizens need to know what our government is doing and what our politicians are up to. Americans need to vote. We are the government at all levels, federal, state, and local. If you have concerns about government expenses and taxes, participate in our democracy. Taxes are a cost of living in a developed, civilized society. Social Security is an insurance system. Medicare is also an insurance system. Unemployment is an insurance system. All of these programs help people in need, and we never know when we will need them. The programs are there for others, and the programs are designed to be there for you. The cost of these programs is paid by taxes, payroll taxes, which are subtracted from most people's paychecks. Make sure you understand what's being subtracted, and make sure you understand what the programs you're paying for do, whether you actually need them right now or not.